Hi, my name is CodaGo and this is the first video of the Python tutorial course. In this video, we will discuss how the Python programming language comes into existence and becomes the most popular programming language across the world. So, let's get started without any delay. First, let's talk about what is Python. So, Python is a popular programming language, and it was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is a high-level, interpreted, general-purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with the use of significant indentation. Python is used in a variety of works. It is mainly used for server-side web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting, and many more. Now let's talk about the things Python can do. Python can build a wide range of different data visualizations, like line and bar graphs, pie charts, histograms, and 3D plots. Python also has a number of libraries that enable coders to write programs for data analysis and machine learning more quickly and efficiently, like TensorFlow and Keras. As we already learned, Python can be used on a server to create web applications, i.e. as a server-side language. Except for this, Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can also be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. In the end, one question comes to your mind: why Python? There are a bunch of reasons why Python is a very popular programming language across the world. First of all, Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Also, the syntax of Python allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages, and Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Also, Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. So, today we learned about in which places Python is used, why Python is so important, and a little bit about its history. And in the next video we will learn about how to download Python on your PC and write your first basic Python program. So for now, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye, see you in the next video.